In the last few days, we have been using ratio tables to determine which ratio has the greatest value. And in this example, we're going to try to find out which accountant gets the most steps. We have Angela, Kevin, and Oscar, and you can see the number of minutes that they walked and the number of steps that they achieved in those number of minutes. Well, anytime you're looking at ratio tables, you want to try to find common numbers that you can compare, numbers that are going to appear in all three ratio tables so that they're easy to compare. So pause the video right now and see if you can find any common numbers. Well, if you looked at the ratio table and you tried to find a common number in all three, you probably were disappointed because nothing showed up in all three tables. But maybe you noticed that 12 minutes appears in Kevin's table and 12 minutes appears in Oscar's table. Unfortunately, Angela doesn't have 12 minutes appear in hers. But the good news is we can use Kevin's and Oscar's to compare. And we can see here that Kevin takes 456 steps in 12 minutes. Oscar takes 480 steps in 12 minutes. So therefore, Oscar gets more steps than Kevin. So how do we determine what Angela does? We don't have 12 minutes there. But the news is we do have some numbers that we can use to scale up to find out how many she will get in 12 minutes. Well, I could take 3 and I could scale it up times 4. I could also take 6 and I could scale it up times 2. Well, I think I want to do the scale up times 2 since the math is a little bit easier. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to take 6 and multiply it times 2. And I'm going to get my 12 minutes. And then I'm going to take my 250, and I'm also going to do the same thing. I'm going to scale it up times 2, and 250 times 2 is, 500. So therefore, in 12 minutes, Angela will get 500 steps. And if we compare all three now, 500 steps in 12 minutes is greater than 456 and greater than 480. So our accountant, Angela, gets the most steps. Congratulations, Angela.